Happy Veganuary, day 6. I learned yesterday that I've been saying it all wrong all this time. It's actually Happy Veganuary. Today, I just got back from my friend's house and it's late, and today I'm gonna make vegan egg salad sandwiches. I've actually tried this before and it's a really yummy, really fast dinner. So I'm gonna cut up some tofu. You don't cook it. Now we're gonna add some chopped celery and green onion. And this is one of my favorite dinners because it's so quick and easy. Now we're gonna add Hellmann's vegan mayonnaise, which is really yummy. You can't even tell the difference. And then we're gonna mix it up. We're gonna add some black salt to it, and this makes it taste really eggy. You just need a couple of grains. Now I'm gonna mash them up. So now we're gonna add it to the bowl, and then we're gonna mix it up. So now we're gonna put some mayonnaise on the bread, and then we're gonna add some tomatoes and lettuce. Add some salt and pepper. Okay, so we're gonna let's try it. Oh my gosh, it's so good.